Welcome to our guide on how to effectively market and launch your continuing education course. Are you an educator or content creator with a fantastic continuing education course but struggling to get it into the hands of eager learners? This video is for you. We'll show you exactly how to market your course, attract the right audience, and achieve successful enrollments. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, actionable plan to boost your course visibility and reach. Before you launch, you need compelling marketing materials. Think about what makes your course unique. What problems does it solve? Who is it for? Create high-quality visuals, engaging copy, and a clear call to action that resonates with your target audience. Email marketing is one of the most powerful tools in your arsenal. Build an email list by offering free resources or webinars related to your course. Then, craft a series of emails that introduce your course, highlight its benefits, share testimonials, and create a sense of urgency for enrollment. Personalize your emails to make them more impactful. Social media is where your potential students are spending their time. Develop a strong social media presence and run targeted ad campaigns. Use platforms like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and even TikTok to showcase your course through engaging videos, graphics, and interactive posts. Remember to use relevant hashtags and audience targeting to reach the right people. Influencer partnerships can significantly amplify your reach. Identify influencers in your niche who align with your course content and audience. Collaborate with them to create authentic reviews, sponsored posts, or even joint webinars. Their endorsement can build trust and drive considerable traffic to your course. When promoting your course, always emphasize its unique features and benefits. Is it accredited? Does it offer hands-on experience? Will it lead to career advancement? Clearly articulate how your course will transform your participants' lives or careers. Use captivating visuals and concise language to get your message across. Nothing speaks louder than success. Gather testimonials and success stories from your early participants. Show their journey and how your course helped them achieve their goals. These authentic endorsements build credibility and encourage new enrollments. A powerful testimonial can be the deciding factor for many potential students. Now let's bring it all together for the big launch. This is step 8. Effectively market and launch your course. Once your course is ready, use email campaigns, social media, and influencer collaborations to attract participants. Highlight the course's unique features and benefits to drive engagement and enrollment. On launch day, create a buzz. Send out a final email blast, post across all your social media channels, and consider a live Q&A session. Monitor your enrollment numbers closely and be ready to answer any questions from potential students in real time. The initial momentum is crucial for a strong launch. The launch isn't the end of your marketing efforts. Ongoing promotion is key. Continuously engage with your audience, share new success stories, and consider creating evergreen content that promotes your course. Encourage participants to share their experiences and become advocates for your course. By following these steps, you're not just launching a course, you're building a thriving educational community. With effective marketing, your continuing education course can reach its full potential, transforming the lives of many. We wish you the best of luck with your launch and ongoing success.